Abortion in the lens of eyes when the womb becomes a grave. This video is not meant to force anyone into a belief system. It is for those who seek to understand the teachings of African indigenous spirituality eyes and how it views abortion from a spiritual, ancestral and moral lens. In eyes, the womb is sacred. It is not just a biological space, it is a spiritual gateway. When life is conceived, it means a soul has been sent through divine timing. Abortion, therefore, is not a medical choice alone. It is a spiritual crime, a disruption of destiny, and a violation of sacred timing. Why is abortion wrong in eyes? In the spirit realm, abortion is seen as the intentional killing of a soul umgumbilali. This is not emotional language, it's a spiritual reality. The soul that was meant to come is rejected and blocked izokikalela lamoya. Awukafile. This leaves spiritual stains on the womb and life path of the person who aborted. Many silently face these spiritual consequences. Misfortune and stagnation, infertility or womb illnesses, depression and emotional instability, disturbing dreams involving babies or blood, failed relationships and financial blockages. The womb that was designed to bring life becomes spiritually marked. That's why cleansing, Ukalanjwa, is needed not just to remove guilt, but to realign the womb with the ancestral timeline. What if I tease rape? A hard question. Rape is a violation, but the child is not the rapist. In eyes, pain and purpose can exist together. Some souls enter earth through wounds, yet still carry sacred missions. Ending the child's life may not erase the trauma it can add. Another layer of spiritual debt. The real solution is deep healing, not spiritual violence against the innocent. When society normalizes self-destruction, we are told today, my body, my choice. But in eyes, your body is a vessel, not a possession. You are a custodian of the future, not an owner of the spirit realm. Worse, modern governments allow young girls, minors, to abort without parental consent, yet these same girls cannot vote or drive. The system says they are too young for wisdom, but old enough to take life. This is spiritual confusion disguised as empowerment. Abortion and the culture of shame. Let's be honest. Many abortions today happen not because of trauma, but because of shame. People don't want to be embarrassed. Families don't want to be judged. Lovers disappear. So, instead of facing the consequences of actions, young women choose to delete life. Teen pregnancy is not ideal, but it is a natural result of sexual energy, imbatio. It's not the child's fault. The solution is education, support, and spiritual discipline, not spiritual bloodshed. To the restored nation, I hope no one among us is still secretly performing abortions and later seeking cleansing. Ukalanya is not a quick fix for repeated abortions. It is a sacred restoration process. As people of the spirit, we are expected to protect life, not end it. Let's teach our girls to honor the womb and our boys to respect it. Let's not use eyes rituals as cover-ups for carelessness. Final truth. Abortion in eyes is not wrong in a moral sense, only it is a spiritual violation. You are not just ending a pregnancy. You are silencing a soul that was already on its way. If you've been there, healing and restoration is possible, Kumul Ualandwa. But if you are considering it, know this: your womb is sacred and blood speaks. Thanks for watching Ekamapholoba. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.